Back, and tonight I am taking a look at another one of the contestants from I Am Singer 2017, the program that introduced me to the wonderful Dimash. And the singer that I am pulling up tonight, it's actually with a band, the Lion Band, but the singer uh, on that uh, particular program is the one that I've got the information on. He was the uh, person behind the creation of the band, and his name is Hsiao. He is from Taiwan. He's a singer, songwriter, actor, and he's also judged quite a few musical uh, contestants or contests. He actually got his start back in 2007 on a Chinese variety show called 1 Million Star, kind of like American Idol. He only lasted till the third round, but he was so popular, uh, even though did not make it beyond that round because of the judges, but so popular with the public that he became the third highest searched celebrity on Google Taiwan. On there, uh, he went into acting in 2011. He had a lead role in a film called The Killer Who Never Kills, an action film. You could probably find it on one of the streaming sites. But he won the Hong Kong Film Award for the Best New Performer. And then in 2013, on the musical side, his album, It's All About Love, got him the award of the Best Male Vocalist of the Year at the Gold Melody Awards. So he doing quite well with his career. In 2015, he pulled together a four-man band called Lion, and as such, they appeared on I Am Singer. The band made it to third place. They were overall third place on that, with Sandy being first place, Dimash second, and then them being on the third. And just a little side note, Hsiao came back 3 years later in 2020 to compete on the show again, and again finished in third place. And see a little bit of a pattern there, that three seems to be a number that has significance to him. But as I said, in addition to his music and acting, he's doing songwriting. He won a Golden Melody Award for Best Male Singer, MTV Asia Award for the Most Promising New Male Singer. So he's doing quite well. On personal side on that, one thing I found was kind of interesting too is that in June of 2023, he announced his engagement to his manager, Summer Lin. Evidently, they had been secretly dating for almost 16 years, and they got married then in October of 2023. But that's just to give you a little bit of background on it. Now, when I was first watching the program, I Am Singer, and seeing the other performers back in the green room, because of the name of the group, Lion, one of the band members, and you'll see him in this video clip, has long curly hair. And for some reason, I thought he was going to be the leader of Lion. So imagine my surprise when I pull up some videos of Lion performing and realize that it was the other guy who's actually the lead singer, and the guy with the long, beautiful mane is a guitarist on there. But the one I've pulled up tonight is from episode 1. So it's the same episode that Dimash sang SOS, and Dimash actually got the highest score on that first episode. But I'm going to go ahead and take a listen to them tonight. Here.
地球之外，我们彼此寻找。
And miss the heartbeat, the dum.
地球之内，我们相互伤害。万物生而平等，看清所谓的缺憾和圆满，看重所有忽略和存在。Love and peace， 狮子合唱团。
狂奔的我，目标是什么？就是要让所有人的目光指引我，在蠢蠢欲动，直到这脉搏，还等什么？就怕你不懂。现在我们走。We are the lion， 我们就是一帮找的猎人，你我共存在。We are the lion， 放开你的懦弱，交出你掌管，不要再等待。We are the lion， 哦，再次的跨过。带下的狂风，一步步的阻碍我们荆棘的日落。给你双大手，遮住你眼眸，心中再也容不下敌手。给你爱，我们。We are the lion， 我们就是一帮找的猎人。Come on， 你我共存在。We are the lion， 放开你的懦弱，交出你掌管，不要再等待。万众挑选，绝不重写，这是失去的姿态。We are the lion， 我们就是一帮找的猎人，你我共存在。We are the lion， 放开你的懦弱，交出你掌管，不要再等待。We are 日前往着 We are the lion， 你我共存在 We are the lion， 英雄日前往着 We are the lion， 你我共存在 yeah, 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 yeah， 万众挑战，绝不重见，这是世界的真相。
Okay, quite the performance, and I'm going to have to pull up more of Jan Xiao because I like this. Um, I grew up, well, I'm a boomer uh, and grew up listening to the music of the 50s, 60s, and so forth. Uh, my mother, uh, singer, she liked the opera and a lot of the jazzy blues type songs and would sing around the house. My father was more into the country western music, so we had that mix of genres. Then, of course, uh, when rock and roll came in, my older siblings would be playing that music, and then I went through the music of the late 60s and 70s, the protest type music on that. So it's very difficult for me to find a genre of music that I dislike. There are certain songs and certain performers that I don't, care too much for. But I'm always surprised when I get something that's a little bit unexpected for me, and having this really rock music coming out. I really enjoyed this. One of the other little side notes that I didn't mention early on him is, uh, in addition to being that singer songwriter, uh, he plays piano, keyboard, which I dabble around a little bit, guitar, which I do, drums, saxophone, and flute. So he is very uh, adept at various music genres, various musical instruments, and I think that all comes into play with also being a songwriter. Having that knowledge of those instruments would certainly help. But that's going to be it for me tonight. I hope you're all doing well, and as usual, peace.